When you need emergency funds from a financial app, knowing the exact timeline of when those funds will hit your bank account is critical. Cleo is a popular AI-powered financial assistant that offers cash advances to help users bridge the gap before their next paycheck, but the speed at which you receive your money depends entirely on the payout method you choose during the request process. The standard payout option is completely free, meaning you do not have to pay any extra fees to get your money. However, this option requires patience because standard transfers typically take anywhere from 3 to 4 business days to arrive in your checking account. It is important to keep in mind that business days exclude weekends and federal holidays, so if you request a standard cash advance on a Friday afternoon or over the weekend, the processing time will not officially start until the next business day, usually Monday. This means a weekend request might take until Thursday or Friday of the following week to fully clear and become available for your use. If you are facing an urgent financial crunch and cannot afford to wait several days, Cleo provides an alternative known as the express payout option. Choosing this method drastically reduces the waiting time, delivering the funds to your account on the same day, often within a few hours or minutes depending on your bank. Speed comes with a cost, as Cleo charges an express fee for instant or same-day transfers. This fee typically ranges from $3.99 to $14.99, depending on the size of the advance you are requesting. The fee is usually paid back at the time of your scheduled repayment. Several external factors can also influence how quickly a Cleo cash advance reaches your hands. Your personal bank plays a massive role in processing times. Traditional brick-and-mortar banks often take longer to post ACH transfers and direct deposits compared to modern online banks or fintech applications that support instant debit card routing. If your linked bank account has strict processing windows or holds on incoming transfers, even an expedited request might experience a slight delay depending on the financial institution's internal clearing rules. Account eligibility and subscription status are additional elements that dictate whether your advance gets processed immediately. To access cash advances smoothly without administrative holdups, your Cleo Plus subscription payment must be fully active and up to date. If a subscription payment fails and falls back on an ACH transfer rather than an instant card charge, it can take up to 2 business days to clear, which temporarily pauses your ability to pull a new advance until the billing status clears up. First-time users also face lower initial advance limits, usually capped between $20 and $100, which helps the system verify banking patterns before granting access to higher amounts. Weighing the urgency of your situation against the extra costs is the best way to decide between the 2 processing speeds. Choosing the standard 3 to 4 day route keeps the transaction entirely free, making it ideal for expenses that can wait a few days. Opting for the express same-day transfer makes sense when dealing with immediate emergencies like an unexpected bill or transportation costs, provided you are willing to absorb the service fee to get the cash instantly.